Hi everyone, I am so excited to be introducing a new component to Leadership Adventure, and that is a short weekly video segment that I'm calling 2-Minute Tips, or 2MT for short. And as the name implies, we'll spend about 2 minutes a week. Sometimes it'll be a little shorter, sometimes it'll be a little bit longer, but it'll never exceed 3 minutes in length. And I'll be sharing some tools and some tips and some tricks and insights, just having a casual conversation with you about different aspects of leadership and things that I've picked up over the years and things that might be helpful to you. Now, this is a totally unscripted conversation. It's not a studio production. I just jot down a few things in my Rocket book each week that I'd like to share with you. And at the end of it, if it's helpful to you or if it's a subject that you're interested in, you can just do a little more research or dig in a little bit further on your own so that you can effectively apply those ideas in the circle of your own influence. Now, in addition to having the video segment, I'm restructuring the website slightly. So you know where the blog is on the website. I'll be adding a video section to the upper menu bar. So all the videos you can find there. In addition to that, I'm setting up a subdomain called podcast.leadership-adventure.com. And all of the 2-Minute Tips video segments will be made available in podcast form over on a distribution site called podbean.com. So if you go to that podcast address, then you'll have a number of different options for viewing and listening to the 2-Minute Tips in a more portable format, if you will. So to wrap it up for today, let me talk about a couple other quick things. We've got Leadership Adventure itself, which is the company, and that's the executive coaching, mentoring, and training company. Then we've got our community online, which consists now of the website, leadership-adventure.com, which has the blog and the 2-Minute Tips. We also have a brand new e-learning and networking site that I've just rolled out within the last week, and that's called community.leadership-adventure.com. And that's the platform that we can form a group and really build a network that we can help make each other better as leaders. And also, I will be delivering a lot of my learning and course content throughout that platform as well. And finally, what I just mentioned is the podcast platform, podcast.leadership-adventure.com. So hope you have a great week. Oh, one other quick thing too, I forgot. The blog comes out on Tuesday, and then the tips will come out on Thursday. So you'll be receiving 2 weekly MailChimp emails from me. Feel free to forward those, pass them along to a friend. The more that people that can participate, the better. And I'm excited about having some conversations with you about this. So have a great week, and we'll see you next week for the next episode in 2-Minute Tips.